Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to use reminders inside ClickUp in the updated 2026 layout. Whether you need a simple nudge for a task or a timed alert, reminders are super easy to set up. So click the plus icon in the bottom right and choose Reminder. Type your reminder anything you need to remember and add notes if you want. Next, pick the date and time you want ClickUp to alert you. You'll get a notification right when it's due. ClickUp also has location-based reminders, so you can trigger one when you arrive somewhere. Just toggle on the location option and enter the address. You can assign reminders to yourself or to someone else by changing the assignee. And if the reminder turns into a bigger task, you can convert it into a real task with one click. To manage all your reminders, just open your inbox. You can snooze them, reschedule them, or delete the ones you're done with. On mobile, the process is the same. Tap the plus button, choose Reminder, and set your time. You'll get a push notification when it's due. And that's it. That's how to use reminders inside ClickUp for 2026. Simple, flexible, and perfect for quick things you don't want to forget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next